Welcome, everyone, to episode 100, where we're going to take a sacred pause, a powerful becoming, and we're going to step into what comes next, not just for you or just for me. So, if you've been feeling like you're behind, like everyone else is moving forward and you're still trying to figure things out, I want you to hear this first. You're not behind, you're simply becoming. And in this episode, I'm going to guide you back to yourself so you can step into your next chapter with clarity and with trust. But before we begin, I want to take a moment to thank our beautiful sponsor, Cosmic Connections. This is a space that truly aligns with everything that we talk about here. Healing and intuition and spiritual growth and connection. And whether you're looking for crystals or oracle cards or simply just a place that feels supportive of your path, this is one of those spaces that feels aligned. So you can visit me in person or explore online, and you can use the code Bertina Podcast 10, BERTENA Podcast 10 for 10% off your purchase. And if you listen to the end of the podcast, there may be a chance for you to win even more. Now, I want you to take a breath with me, and let's begin. Hello, beautiful souls. Let's take a deep breath in and a gentle exhale. And I want to welcome you back to the Spiritual Sanctuary, Wisdom for the Divine Feminine, a space where you're invited to soften, to reconnect, and to call yourself home, where you stop searching and you start becoming. I'm your host, Bertina, and I'm so grateful that you are here. Whether you're driving or resting or walking or simply needing a moment to pause, this space is for you. And today is a sacred moment because this is our 100th episode. And I want us just to sit with that. Because this isn't just a number, this is devotion. This is showing up again and again when life felt uncertain and when energy was low, even when I didn't have the perfect words or even know what I was going to say. But is still choosing to create this space, and the truth is, I did not create this space alone. You've helped create this with me. So every time that you've listened, and every time that you've shared, and every time that you have left a review, followed, or every time something resonated inside of you, you've become a part of the sanctuary. This is not just my voice. This is a shared space. It's what I like to think of as collective energy. It's where women come to feel, to remember, and to reconnect. And I want you to know that your presence here really matters. Your healing matters, your growth matters, and because every time you choose to pause, to listen, and to reflect, you are choosing yourself. So, I want to guide you into something deeper. I want you to take a moment and close your eyes if you can. Take in a deep breath and go back just 1 year. Where were you 1 year ago? What were you feeling? What had felt heavy or uncertain? Now go back 5 years. Who were you then? What did you believe about yourself and what were you afraid of? Now I want you to come back right here and right now and look at yourself. I don't want you to be judgmental. I don't want you to look at yourself through comparison, but through awareness. You're not the same person. You've grown. You've softened in some spaces, and you've strengthened in others. You've carried things and you've released things. And yet, so often, we forget to honor that. Now, the divine feminine, as we talk about in this podcast, is not something outside of you. She's not something that you have to become. She is something that you remember. She lives within you as your intuition, your emotional depth, your creativity, your cycles, your softness, your strength. She's the one who nurtures, and she is the one who says this is no longer aligned. She's the one that rests. She's the one that rises. And this world has taught us to disconnect from her. We're taught to override our bodies, to ignore our intuition, to push through exhaustion, to keep going and thinking about others. And this work tonight is about returning. So I want you to pause here and place one hand on your heart and one on your lower belly. I want you to take a deep breath in and then exhale slowly. Feel your body. Feel your present. Now ask yourself, where have I been disconnected from myself? Where have I been ignoring my truth? What am I ready to come back to? Let whatever comes up, come up. No judgment, just awareness. Stay here for a moment, breathing, listening, and receiving. Breathing, listening, receiving. Whatever comes up, comes up. Now, let's shift forward, because this is not just about reflection, it's about becoming. And I don't want to step into the next 100 episodes alone. I want to step into them with you. So I want to ask you something. What do you need right now? Not what you think you should need, but what feels true. Do you need grounding? Do you need healing? Do you need clarity? Do you need permission or just a space to breathe? And what do you want more of here? Do you want more meditations, more rituals, more teachings, more guidance on your purpose, more support in stepping into your gifts? I want you to tell me, because this next chapter, it's ours. So take another breath and ask yourself, what is my next step? Not the whole path, just the next step. And trust what comes up, even if it feels small and even if it feels uncertain. You're not behind and you are not late. You are not broken. You are unfolding. And everything you are doing, every moment of awareness, is shaping your future. Now, to celebrate this 100th episode, I'm giving away a $10 gift card to Cosmic Connections. I will be giving away a free Embodying Your Divine Feminine class on Zoom. And maybe, who knows what other things that may come out. But what I want you to do is follow the podcast on Apple Podcast or Spotify. Review it on Apple Podcast and on Spotify or on social media. Comment what you want to learn more of, what you want me to do more of, and if I have something that relates to that, I may be able to offer some more small gifts. My social media is Bertina11, Bertena. Bertina11 is my Facebook, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Pinterest. And the Spiritual Sanctuary is the Facebook group. So this is, as it always has been, us walking together. There are people locally, there are people in Nashville, there are women all around the world that I'm beginning to get connected with. I want to thank you for being here and for showing up, for doing the work, for visiting my website, bertina.org, for signing up for my classes, for just being the support, because you're helping my dreams come true. And as you move forward, this is where you stop searching and you start becoming. I'll see you in the next episode in the sanctuary.